Hi guys, today on Divas Can Cook, we are making this key lime pound cake. We're gonna drizzle on some key lime cream cheese glaze, and y'all look at that texture. This cake is perfect for special occasions and it's pretty doggone easy to make, so let's go. Okay, first step, I have some flour in my bowl. I'm gonna add in some baking powder and a little bit of salt. We're gonna whisk this around to get everything combined, and then we're gonna dump in some key lime zest. Dump that right into the flour, get it all in there, and go ahead and just whisk this around just like that, and that is it. We can go ahead and just move along to our wet ingredients. I have a very large bowl, well, kind of a large bowl. For my wet ingredients, I'm gonna add in my softened butter. We're gonna mix this up just to get that butter all nice and creamy, and then we're gonna add in our sugar. Now where you're mixing up this butter and the sugar, make sure to keep your mixer on low. That way you don't have to worry about over mixing the butter and the sugar, because if you do, you're gonna have those little gluey streaks in your pound cake when it's done. You know, you cut it open and then you see these little gluey streaks. Nobody likes those. So yeah, don't over cream your butter and you won't get those. And now it is egg time. We're gonna add our eggs one at a time, but I'm feeling like a rebel, so I'm going for it. I'm doing 2 at a time. Mix those eggs in there until they are well combined. I still have my mixer on low. It's like a medium low, because you want to be careful not to overmix. Don't overmix. I know I keep saying that, but really don't overmix it, okay? Just mix it until it's combined like that. That looks good. Next, we're gonna add in some natural lime extract, and then I'm gonna add in some natural vanilla extract just to kind of bump up those luscious flavors, okay? Stir that on in. And now we need some moisture to get that velvety texture. Some sour cream will do it, and a little bit of buttermilk does it every single time. Yes, it does, honey. So I'm gonna go ahead and just mix this up until it is combined. Then I'm gonna stop. Then we're gonna add in some key lime juice. This cake has such a natural lime flavor. I love the flavor. Okay, now we're gonna add our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients. We're gonna mix this just until it is combined, and then we are going to stop, okay? Don't go crazy with this mixer. Just mix that flour in until you no longer see any streaks of flour or anything like that. Okay, that looks good. You see how nice and fluffy it is? That looks so luscious, so luscious. Okay, now we are ready to add our batter into our pan. I have grease and flour in my little bundt pan. I'm gonna spoon this batter evenly in my pan here, and then once I have it all spooned in there, I'm gonna give it like a little shake and a shimmy like your name is Jimmy. Shake it out and get all those air bubbles out. That looks great. Okay, next we're gonna pop this into the oven, 325 for about hour to 20 minutes. When it comes out, let it cool off, all right? And then when the pan is cool enough to touch, go ahead and take out the pan. And now you wanna start praying, asking God to forgive you for all those things you've done wrong, and please don't let this cake stick. And yeah, beautiful, grace and mercy. Usually it doesn't stick, but sometimes I get so mad when I make a cake and it sticks. It's like, oh. Okay, so we're gonna make our glaze now, okay? While the cake is cooling off, here goes our glaze. There's some cream cheese going into my bowl, just a little bit. I got some powdered sugar I'm gonna add in there. Dump all that powdered sugar in. We're gonna mix this all around. Oh wait, no we're not. We're gonna add some key lime juice, all right? And then we're gonna mix it all around just until it is all creamy and stuff like that. This glaze is a must. It is so good, so don't skip this glaze, all right? There's some key lime zest I'm gonna throw in there to really bump up that key lime flavor. It just complements the cake so well. And there is my milk going in. Gotta have that milk. We're gonna mix this all up, and then now we are pretty much done. The cake is totally cooled off, so I'm gonna go ahead and just drizzle on this glaze. You can pour it on if you want to, but I like the way it looks when it's all drizzly and pretty like that. So that's how I do it. And then once I have all of that glaze on there, I'm just going to garnish it with a little bit of key lime zest just to make it look all pretty, little speckles of that beautiful green. It looks really cute like that. So now we are done. Look at the texture. Ain't no streak in sight. Ain't no streak in this pound cake, child. Oh, y'all, look at this part. Like, the texture is so beautiful, and you get that texture by not over creaming and also by under baking it just a little bit, because it's going to continue to bake as it cools. So if your pound cake is dry, it's probably because you cooked it too much in the oven. You gotta let it finish cooking outside the oven. Okay, that makes sense? I hope it does. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos later.